Now, the question comes, sir or madam, I want to apply on my own, but how to find the scholarships? Because on Google search, I type USA scholarship, I type UK scholarship, I get lot of information, but how will I believe that is it right or wrong? And out of 10, you can say around 5 or 6 of them are not updated actually. So what are the tools basically? How can we find out the scholarships? Or if I want to find the details and all the things, can you tell me in an official website? Yes, there are options. This is the slide which is going to help you out. The links and the source which I am mentioning, please, if you want, you can note it down. This is going to be a great help for you if you are looking to study in any of these countries. Great help. These are the official source. You do not believe on me, you do not believe on anyone else. Believe on these official sites. These are going to help you out in the long run. For USA, there is a organization called USIEF with its head offices in Delhi. You can go to the website usief.org.in. A lot of information about the current scholarships for Indian students willing to study in US will be mentioned, along with all the eligibility criteria. All the details. Rely on this website. I can assure you most of your task will be done. You can ask their counselor also to help you with the scholarships. They will give you an information on how to go about it. Similarly, for UK, there is British Council and UK CISA. Links I have already given. These are the authentic sources basically. For Ireland, it is Education in Ireland. For Germany, it is DAAD. For France, it is Campus France. All of them will have a lot of information about the scholarships, about how to approach, deadlines, how much you can get funding, and all these things. For Australia, it is Australian High Commission or the website known as studyinaustralia.gov.au. Go through these links, you'll get all the information. For Canada, make sure, because in Canada, what happens is there are provinces. So you will not get a centralized link. So you have to search province by province. For example, for Ontario, there is a website called OUAC. For Quebec, there is a website called education.gouv.qc.ca. Similarly, for other provinces like British Columbia, it will be different. For Alberta, it will be different. And most importantly, obviously, you have to rely on these sources for external scholarships. Please refer to university websites as well, because university websites will also give you the very, very brief, very detailed information along with the updated one. So these are the prominent countries and these are the major sources basically. Focus on this. All of your tasks regarding scholarships will be sorted primarily. Fine. You can also use the university websites as I said, but rely on Google search, but on a lesser amount of time rather than focusing on this.